Hello, my name is John Harrell and welcome to another NASE Minute. When building or growing the business of your dreams, you need the time and money to focus on things that are going to move you forward. You need to work more efficiently so you can allocate resources more effectively. Your NASE UPS savings program can help you save 50% off air, 30% off ground, and free UPS smart pickup service. Minimize financial setbacks with insurance through UPS Capital Protection for small package shipments. You'll be able to print and produce a wide variety of marketing materials through the UPS store. You can open a new UPS account or link your existing account to begin receiving discounts. Thank you for being a member, and thank you for using the UPS member benefit. If you have any questions or you need help with the benefit, please call our customer service at 800-232-6273.